I need not give an introduction of myself. I don't want to introduce myself, but I want a few of you to understand the message which I wish to deliver by this small speech. It's the 74th Republic Day, and even today, I find that the average public is not actually aware of what a Republic Day means. I asked them in Marathi, I asked them in English, I asked them in Hindi. These are the three languages chiefly spoken in Mumbai, from where I am now speaking. They have absolutely no idea. Some have an idea that it's all about democracy or democratic form of government being achieved. Some people know that it's about the empowerment of the people, but I find that they very few actually know the real spirit of being a member of a democratic republic. I belong to the legal fraternity. I'm a fellow advocate, and amongst the advocates also, I find, although all our learned friends are aware about the importance of being a republic, and that to be republic means the government is of the people, by the people, and for the people. Even so, I find that even amongst the lawyers there is a fear to acknowledge and demand the right which every member of a republic should demand from their elected representatives or from the government he or she constitutes. There is really a need to be educated as to what is the meaning of democracy. I have found people criticize the politicians for being dominating the public servants. This is because they themselves do not know what the role of a politician is. The politicians in our country feel that power is to rule people. They do not realize that the purpose of power is to serve people. Once we realize that the power of a citizen of a republic is to demand and to rule for the betterment of the fellow citizens, then there will be a greater meaning to our Republic Day celebrations. Tomorrow is the 74th Republic Day, and as usual, we will see public rallies and speeches being delivered, and at the end of the day, all will go home, and it is just another day the next day. So, my small request is that every citizen should try to understand what his role or her role as a citizen is. How can he use his or her power in a democracy so that the fruits with which our founding fathers or our great freedom fighters have plucked for us with great hardships can be relished at least in the 75th year, that is next year, of the Republic Day. Thank you very much, and thanks for having the patience to listen to me.